Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl DJ Dalvi, and today I'm going to be harvesting some chocolate. Yeah, so I pick the chocolate them now and get them in my bag. You know what I mean? Yeah, so see one chocolate tree over here down. So I just go ahead now and pick off when I can pick off and thing. The chocolate them here. Yeah. See, at least I brought down the tree now. But I don't know. Out here, I pick as much as I can pick. Yeah man, we don't want your chocolate them stay up on the tree and dry up. So, now I pick them, break them and put them to dry. Make some chocolate tea, you know. So this is the first tree of my target so far. Yeah. I pick all of the ripe one them I can pick, you know. Jordan, they here with me. But help me pick them. See you, man. So Jordan, the right there, so I pick them on the right there, so. Circle some of that tree now. And tree with some right there, so you know. Small low. One is small, Jordan. That is it. I'll go up our next tree person. So now go in and out. So one tree right there, so only the one is enough for them boil off too. Some of them spoil. One a little bit bigger. Some of them. Do remember like the video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. Yeah man, big up all new subscribers, you know. I don't know anything, but we out here I do it. Regardless what Melissa going with. Still I give thanks for life, health and strength. See me. You know what I mean? Your condolences to those who lost a loved one because of Hurricane Melissa. Really, really sorry to hear that. And just also want to say all the persons who have not heard from their family and friends, just go and keep focused here, just go and keep up, stay strong. So I'll go on so far. So me deal with them, you know. Alright, so I last set me up for broke. Yeah, bro. The last one, right there, so. But I think I go wash them off now. I just I put them out for dry. See me. If you do it, you can wash them off, but I not go wash them off. I put them for dry. See me. So when we finish with them. That go on, but what go on, stay tuned. No, I make them waste, you know, because more than anything I waste, but no, I make them waste. So rain end up come down, so I'm gonna get to put the chocolate them for dry. So how that go on? Big up all who watch till the end.